Hello, Tim O'Kelly here. Hey, listen, I just want to say thanks for stopping by and checking out the work. This video right here is, I tell you what, if you love relationships, relationships are important to you, and you struggle at all with relationships, you got to check this one out. This is a different model that you can use in all of your relationships, okay? So before I get into it, I just want to tell you a little bit about myself if you don't know much about me. I started doing personal development work in 1988, and I had never done any work like this before. I was in the bar business, the restaurant business, having the time of my life, hanging out with my buddies, living by the beach, and all of a sudden I take this class and learn more about me than I've ever learned, changed careers, got healthier, and started making my life work. And I made a decision back then that I would do this for the rest of my life, and that's what you're watching right now. So let's get into this. If relationships are important to you, check this one out. So I want you to think of somebody that you're in relationship with. And do you notice that sometimes you get frustrated in a relationship, okay? And isn't it true that most likely you are frustrated at something that they're doing or something that they're not doing or something you wish they would do, right? Well, this model has three options now that when you're dealing with somebody, okay? You have really three paths to go down. So let's take a look at the first one. So however someone's being, how they're showing up, how they're treating you, how they're living life, one place that you can go to is a place called acceptance. Okay, so one of the reasons I'm bringing this up is we're just getting ready to move into the holiday season. Halloween's coming up in a couple of weeks, and then we got Thanksgiving, and then we got Christmas. So I wanted to do this because we're going to be around relationships, and sometimes those relationships with family are not so pleasant. And I hope that's not true for you. I hope everything's going well, but for some of us, this doesn't always go so well. So this will give you a different way to handle it so that the kids can be happier, so that everybody really can get along in a different way, and you can lead it too. So this first place is acceptance. Not easy to do, but it can be done. So think about it. When you are frustrated with somebody, isn't it true that you're saying that you wish they were a little bit different? Have you ever gone to Thanksgiving or Christmas and Aunt Jane comes, and Aunt Jane shows up the way she has shown up for 75 years, and it bothers us? Have you ever thought about that? Like, why is she so controlling? Or why does she run the whole house? Or why does she say what? Have you ever gotten frustrated? Well, this is a whole different way to operate. That to not have to get frustrated, not have to get mad. Because if you think about it, isn't that funny that you're wanting Aunt Jane to be different after 75 years and she hasn't been different? Is she going to be different? No. So this first place that you can go to is a place called acceptance. You can actually have some fun with it if you want. Acceptance really is, I love this person. They're valuable enough for me to completely love them, which means I accept them the way they are. Their quirks, their idiosyncrasies, the things they do, the things they don't do, you almost let that all go because you love them. So you can just accept Aunt Jane. Now, how that might look on Thanksgiving or Christmas is before you even go to the party, before you even go to the holiday festivities, just think about Aunt Jane for a moment. I'm making this up, right? Okay, good. Aunt Jane, you can have some fun with this and bet with your family of when she's going to start kicking in her control, when she starts going to manipulate, when she starts running everything. Because here's the point. If you know she's going to do it, think about that. If you know she is going to show up that way, you don't get upset. Let me say that again. When you know and you have that expectation that she is going to show up that way, because she always does, you don't get upset. You can actually underneath it kind of laugh like, here she goes again. But see, it doesn't hook you, it doesn't get you. I'm going to tell you in a moment why it hooks us and why we get frustrated. We can literally unhook that and have a great time, and Aunt Jane can be any way she wants to be, okay? So, full acceptance, which means no matter what you do, no matter what you say, I love you, okay? In business, no matter what you do, no matter what you say, I'm your partner, okay? So we're together. All the other stuff just kind of goes away. Now, you might be thinking, now wait a minute though. What if this person crosses a line with me? What if this person crosses integrity, maybe even physically, or they might be abusive, or they might just be really, really mean? Well, I don't want that. I got it. And that's okay. What you have a right to do, Just like you have a right to accept, you have a right to what's called reject. You can reject any relationship you want to. You can say, you know what? This relationship is not working for me. The way that you show up, the way that you act out, the way that you do what you do, I will not accept that. This relationship is over. And guess what? You can do that with Aunt Jane too. You can do it with anybody. So you can end the relationship. And you have a right to if they cross some line. Okay, so you have a right to accept somebody. You have a right to reject somebody. Now, the one that's going to kill us and what puts us through so much hell, even during the holidays, is this place called tolerate. Okay, think about that. Tolerate is this. I'm going to go to this party. Aunt Jane's going to be there, and by God, she better not do what she does. I don't want her to be controlling. I don't want her to take over the whole day and night. I don't want her to be the way she is. I want her to be different. That's called tolerate, meaning I'm going to be in the relationship with you, but I want you to change. Do you realize if we do that in our intimate relationships, do you realize if we do that with our children, do you realize if we do that with people closest to us, and every day that we want them to change and they don't, how much internal stress we create? It's called cortisol. Now, cortisol in itself at a certain level is healthy. It raises cortisol level, puts unwanted weight on, and literally begins to destroy the inside of us. Is this very simply thing called tolerate? That they shouldn't be them. I mean, have you ever been in a relationship and you got frustrated because you don't feel like you could be yourself? You ever feel like that they always want me to change, they want me to be better, they want me to do things different, and you just feel like you can't even be yourself? Well, we're doing the same thing to them. We want them to change. We don't want them to be themselves. We know a better way that they should be. We don't have a right to do that. I mean, we can do that, but I tell you what's going to cause a lot of stress. So let's work on eliminating tolerate. How do you eliminate tolerate? Is you pick 100% acceptance of this person, or if they have crossed the line, you have every right to reject them. Okay, so now the final part to this is, again, now when you go to holiday season, I want you to think about this. Who are you going to be around? Well, already have your expectations set. You know how she shows up. You know how he shows up. You know what they do when they both get together at a party. They tend to, well, okay. If you know it's going to happen, you don't get hooked. You don't get upset. The only time we get upset is when they do it, but inside we think they shouldn't do it. They should change. You know what? They're not going to. And if you cannot accept that, then reject that relationship. So this model again, accept, reject, but whatever you do, stay away from the tolerate, because it really does bring us down, and it creates horrible holiday parties too. So work on it. I appreciate you stopping by, and you know what? Feel free to look at all the other videos and take all of them with you into a great holiday season. Thank you.